Hello, and welcome to another installment of EPS Global's unboxing series. Today we'll be looking at Celestica's DS5000 800 gig switch. This is a 64-port OSFP switch powered by Broadcom's Tomahawk 5 ASIC, delivering up to 51.2 terabit per second of bandwidth. Alright, in the box you will get your rail mount kit. You've also got rack mount ears, cable clips, as well as 4 power cord extension cables. The DS5000 features 64 OSFP ports, and each port can support 800 gig and can be configured to run at speeds of 50, 100, 200, or 400 gig, depending on your needs. These ports can also be broken out into 2, 4, or 8 port configurations with the appropriate breakout cables. And if we spin the chassis around here, we can see we've got 2 redundant PSUs and a single redundant fan module for 3 total fan modules and 4 total PSUs. Thanks for joining us for this unboxing. If you're interested in learning more, contact your local EPS rep. And if you have any questions about this switch or want to see more unboxings, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll see you next time.